a station, I don't know whether somebody spoke, but you get a station, a large station that covers a huge area of jurisdiction, has got very minimal officers. But I'm happy that there is recruitment that is going to happen in another 2 or 3 weeks, which will cap that. But when you do that, Waziri, please remember the area of Gusii. It is largely understaffed. Largely understaffed. And you can see, like a village slum, overly populated, so we really need such. 2, mobility. There is a challenge of mobility in our stations. I think my OCS in one of the stations is here and can tell you, I mean, I've seen several times they are pushing their vehicles along the way, and sometimes we rescue them. And really embarrassing, and it's not really a very good situation. When I get back to the question of morale, Waziri, these officers did a very good job to curb the large protests that were witnessed in this country sometimes last year. If I remember well, and because of the network within the service, in the last regime, there is what we used to call unknown allowance for the officers. If that can actually be seen for these officers, it will boost their morale so much. They know what I mean, so I think yes. But again, there is a growing lack of coordination there now, and this is the challenge, between Ngao officers and the police service. It's largely attributed, Waziri, to now the autonomy of the police service, and you find the DC is chairing a security meeting, but the OCPD could be having a larger AIE than now that DC. If there is a way that coordination can be done, that they are harmonized in either side, so that there is utmost respect